welcome to a new video. So I'm actually going to be making some kale pesto, white cheddar pasta using a little bit of elbow noodles, some minced garlic, ground paprika, nutritional yeast, some salt-free seasoning, and a little bit of mushrooms. I have some water already boiling with some salt and some oil inside. Add your mushrooms. Add your garlic next. Mix for a few minutes. I added the sauce in 1/4 cup at a time. Add your noodles to the pot, well in this case the wok.
Access granted.
Add some sauce, some nutritional yeast, some ground paprika, and a little bit of the salt-free seasoning. If you're going to try this recipe, leave me that tongue emoji in the comments. I finished just in time. My 2-month-old woke up.